Top 10 highest mountain peaks in the world. 1. Mount Everest 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters Himalayas, Nepal, China. 2. K2 28,251 feet, 8,611 meters Karakoram, Pakistan, China. 3. Kanchenjunga 28,169 feet, 8,586 meters Himalayas, Nepal, India. 4. Lhotse 27,940 feet, 8,516 meters Himalayas, China, Nepal. 5. Makalu 27,838 feet, 8,485 meters Himalayas, Nepal, China. 6. Choa Yu 26,864 feet, 8,188 meters Himalayas, China, Nepal. 7. Dhaulagiri I 26,795 feet, 8,167 meters Himalayas, Nepal. 8. Manaslu 26,781 feet, 8,126 meters Himalayas, Nepal. 9. Nanga Parbat 26,660 feet, 8,126 meters Himalayas, Pakistan. 10. Annapurna I 26,545 feet, 8,091 meters Himalayas, Nepal. These mountains are all located in the Himalayan mountain range in Asia, except for K2, which is located in the Karakoram mountain range squared.